Okay, this is the
Yes,
first.
sir.
Yeah, Saket. You got your answer for first question as you said. Let's check it. Do you know what is sine
B,
30?
sir. I got B.
You got B. Okay, let's check that. Do you know what is the
B,
value of
B.
sine 30? Do you know that?
So what do you say?
Sine 30. Do you know it is half?
Sine 30, yeah, sir. Sine 30 is half, yeah.
And cos 30 is
Cube 3 by half.
root 3 by half. Sine 60 is root 3 by half. And cos 60 is 1 by 2. They all got cancelled actually. Is it your answer 0? Okay, what about the second question? Tan 30 over cot 60. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 and cot 60 is simply 1 by root 3 itself. Cot 60 is also 1 by root 3. Is it 1 that you got? Actually,
Sir?
yeah.
So I got B. And then, sir, for question 3, so I got B again.
Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. It is 2 over root 2. That is root 2. Yeah, it's correct. B is correct. Answer 4th and 5th. Okay, I think you must have got your answer for 4th as well. It's B over H. Do you remember that? And these are triplets. 3, 4, 5 are triplets. 3, 4, 5s are triplet. You can remember some trigonometric triplets. This is the first triplet, 3, 4, 5. Actually, this is the rule that we get. L square minus 1 twice L and L square plus 1. If you put L being 2, you will get 3, 4, 5. If you put L being I put 2. Now if you can put 3, you will get 6, 8, 10. 6, 8, 10. This is also a triplet. Okay, tan A we want. Tan A is P by B. P is how much? P is actually 3, 4, 5 is triplet. That means P is 3 and B is 4. 3 by 4. Is it your answer? Tell me, Saket, is it your answer?
Hmm? Oh, yeah, sir. So I also got B.
Okay, answer 5, 6 in front of you. They all are easy. You just try to answer it quickly. The main game is time consumption. With it, you need to solve it very quickly.
Got it, sir.
Okay, well done. What's your answer for this one? Sine A is 1 by 2 means you are given with P over H. That's why your B can be determined under root H square minus P square, that is root 3. You want cot A. Cot A is B over P. B over P means root 3 over 1, that is root 3. And if you don't want to do like this, there is one more way. Sine A is half, that means your angle is 30 degree, and tan cot 30 is cot 30 is equal to tan 60, that is root 3. You can use both approach. Should we move further? Sixth one, can you tell me your answer? The value of the expression cosec 75 plus theta. Actually, this can be written as sec 90 minus theta. Sec 90 minus 75 is 15 minus theta. That's why they both got cancelled. Minus tan 55 plus theta. Now cot theta is again tan 90 minus theta. That's why if you subtract 90 minus 35, minus minus become plus. They got cancelled, you only left with 0. Understood? Sakit, got it or not? Tell me that first.
Yeah, got it, sir.
Okay. Okay, now you have 7, 8, 9, 10. These 4 questions. I want you to appear first, then I will explain. Okay, they all are easy. You can tell me your answer if you have got your answer for the question number 7. It's simply P by H, isn't it? That's why B you can determine using root H square minus A square. Now cos theta is B over H. That means root B square minus A square over B. Is it your option C that you got? Have you got the same answer? Now you can tell me when your angle is 0. Cos alpha plus beta is 0 and cos is 0 at 90 degree. That's why alpha plus beta are complementary.
Understood.
And if alpha and beta are complementary, in the place of alpha you can write 90 minus beta. That becomes sine 90 minus 2 beta. And sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. That becomes cos 2 beta. That means it is equivalent to cos 2 beta. Because I substituted alpha being 90 minus beta. That's why I got this answer, sine 90 minus 2 beta, which is sine 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. That's got cos 2 beta. Okay, can you answer the ninth one? See, it is tan 1, tan 2. Actually, tan 1 and tan 89. Tan 89 can be written as cot 90 minus 89, that is cot 1. That's why tan 1 into cot 1 become 1. Tan theta into cot theta is 1. Similarly, tan 2 and tan 88. Tan 88 is cot 2. That becomes 1. Similarly, tan 3 and tan 87 is cot 3. Tan 3 into cot 3 is 1. Similarly, we have tan 45 as well, which is 1. All being 1 gives you 1 as your answer, because 1 times even it goes up to 89 times, then also you will get 1. I think you must be. Are you okay with this?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, now come to this question. Cos 9 alpha is sin 9 alpha. You can do a thing. You can use this as cos 9 alpha, and in the place of sin theta you can write cos 90 minus theta. That's why if cos are equal, then angles would be equal.
Understood, sir.
And that's why 18 alpha become 90. That's why alpha become 5. That's why 5 alpha is 25. Okay, you make it tan 9 alpha. Then it become tan 45 equal to 1. Okay. Come to the question 11. Right angle at C. Right angle at C. Then these A plus B make 90. That's why it is cos 90 that they want to answer. Cos 90 is equivalent to sin 0, which is 0. Come to the question 12. Are you able to solve this this way? Because I'm explaining things bit fast, because I want you to involve here and appear them quickly. We have already solved this question earlier. Here sin A become 1 minus sin square A, that is cos square A. That means in the place of cos square A you can put sin A, and in the place of cos to the power 4 you can put sine square a, and sine a plus sine square a become 1. That means cos square a plus cos to the power 4 is 1 only. Sine alpha 1 by 2 means alpha is 30 degree, and cos beta 1 by 2 means beta is 60 degree, and that's why alpha plus beta is 90 degree. Come to the question 14. Sine square 22, this becomes cos square 22 because cos 90 minus 68 is sine 68, and here it can be written as sine square 68. Above it is sine square theta plus cos square theta, that becomes 1. Below it is sine square theta plus cos square theta, that becomes 1. Here it is sine 27 can be written as cos 90 minus 27, which is cos 60. That is why it is sine square theta plus cos square theta, which is again 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. That's why your answer is 2. From here it is so easy to answer. If you find that if you just displace this 4 below, you will get tan theta 3 by 4. Now you divide here by cos, here by cos, here by cos, here by cos. That means both numerator and denominator by cos. You got 4 tan theta minus 1 over 4 tan theta plus 1. And now in the place of tan theta you will put 3 by 4. Finally you got 2, and here you got 4. That's why it is 1 by 2. Come to the 16th question. Sin theta minus cos theta being 0 means sin theta is equal to cos theta. That means theta is 45. And sin 45 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 becomes 1 by 2, 1 by 2. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that becomes 1 by 2. Getting it or not? Are you able to write all these things? Because these are important questions. Also keep writing them. Okay, now 17, 18, 19 and 20. These, I want you to appear these. 17, 18, 19 and 20. I am giving you 5 minutes to appear these 4 questions. Then I will start explaining. I think you must have answered them. Sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. And that's why here cos theta is also sine 90 minus theta. And they become same. That's why they got cancelled. 0 should be your answer. Here this can be written as sine 90 minus 26, that is 64. That's why they both are same again. That's why again they are 0. Sec theta plus tan theta is m. Then sec theta minus tan theta is 1 over m. I have told you earlier that you can multiply by sec theta minus tan theta both in numerator and denominator. Your numerator will be 1 because sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1, and in denominator it is sec theta minus tan theta. By reciprocating you will get sec theta minus tan theta equal to 1 by m. Now you can add both, you will get 2 sec theta is equal to m plus 1 by m, but you want tan theta, that's why you subtract both. And if you are subtracting both, you will get m square minus 1 over m and divided by 2. Option A. By subtracting you will be able to eliminate sec theta and you will get twice tan theta equal to m minus 1 by m, that is m square minus 1 by m, and that twice will be divided. That's why is your option. Have you got 20 as well? It's easy. You can multiply 1 minus cos in numerator as well as denominator. That's why the below part is simply sine square theta. Sine got cancelled. 1 minus cos over sine. Option B. Try answering question 21. These are already asked in CBSE exams. Now again you have 4 questions in front of you. You can solve them in 4 or 5 minutes. You can take the screenshot quickly and also try answering it now. Okay, it's easy. If right angle is there at C, then other two are also being complementary. Sec 90 is equivalent to 1 over cos 90, and 1 over cos 90 is 1 over 0, that is not defined. Sin theta plus cos theta is root 2 cos theta. Then they want you to find out the value of tan theta. Okay, there is a trick I want you to share. There is a trick I want you to share. If A sin theta plus B cos theta is equal to C, then A cos theta minus B sin theta is equal to root A square plus B square minus C square. If we are making use of this important trick, what we can write is, yes, one is here and one is here. Yes, Saket. That's why we can write it as A sin theta, B cos theta minus equal to A square plus B square minus C square. That becomes 2 cos square theta, which becomes sin theta minus cos theta equal to root 2. 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. That becomes sin theta. Now you can simply divide them, or you can simply add them. If you will add them, this cos cancelled, you got twice sine theta equal to root 2 sine theta minus root 2 cos theta. Or you can even do one more thing. You can simply take the square, that will be more easy. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1 plus 2 sine theta cos theta equal to equal to 2 cos square theta. This is what you will get. Then you are supposed to find out tan theta. What can you get from here? Okay, you can get sine 2 theta. 2 sine theta cos theta is sine 2 theta, and 1 minus cos square theta is sine square theta, and cos square theta is here. You have shifted one cos square theta, and now it becomes sine 2 theta, and cos square theta minus sine square theta is cos 2 theta. And when can sine 2 theta and cos 2 theta be equal? Okay, you can do a thing, you can divide them. Tan 2 theta is equal to 1 you got, and that's why 2 theta is 45 you got. That's why theta is 22 and half you got. Tan theta, tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta over 1 minus tan square theta. That's why if you want tan 22 and half, it is equivalent to 1 minute. Okay, are you getting it or not? You can put theta equal to 22 and half, and if you do so, it becomes tan 45, that is 1. I can write it here, 1, and it becomes 2 tan theta is half, 22 and half, 2 tan theta over 1 minus tan square theta. Now it is a quadratic you got, 1 minus tan square theta equal to 2 tan theta. You can assume tan theta to be x, and you will be able to develop the quadratic. X square plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. That becomes minus 2 plus minus 2 root 2 over 2 over 2. That becomes minus 2 plus minus 1 plus minus root 2. And since it is acute, it must be root 2 minus 1. It's positive. Is there any option root 2 minus 1? You can see. Or you can simply remember 10, 22 and half is root 2 minus 1. Even many students do remember that. Many students do remember it, that 10, 22 and half is root 2 minus 1. If you remember that, no need to do all these things. Understood? Many students do recall then 10, 22 and half is root 2 minus 1. I will suggest you to remember it. You need to remember some of the cases. What are those cases? I'm telling. Like you can remember these formula. I'm telling. Like you can remember sine 18 degree, root 3 minus 1 over 2 root 2. Which is equivalent to root 5 minus 1 by 4. If you multiply by root 3 plus 1 both in numerator and denominator, you will get root 5 minus 1 by 4. And after sine 18 must be equal to cos 90 minus theta, that is cos 72 degree. Then no, sine 18 is not that, sine 15 is it. We have to rectify. This is not, 1 minute. It is root 5 minus 1 over 4 and it is equal to cos 72. And sine 36 degree is equal to root 10 minus 2 root 5 over 4. And that is equivalent to cos 72. And sine 36 is, I have already told, and cos 36 now. Getting it? Saket, are you there? Root 5 plus 1 over 4. And it is equal to sine 72. Okay, you can mark these. Similarly, there is this 10, 22 and half. It's your choice. If it is possible for you to remember, you can even remember all these cases. Many times we do require them. That I was telling is sine 15, root 3 minus 1 over 2 root 2, and cos 15, root 3 plus 1 over 2 root 2. That's why 10, 15 is root 3 minus 1 over root 3 plus 1. Even you can find this sine 15 using sine a plus b. All right, should we move further? No, we are left with few questions to do here. I think you now need to do the question number 23 and 24. Sine alpha is root 3 by 2. That means it alpha is going to be 60 degree, and cos beta is 0, and cos is 0 at 90 degree. Now beta minus alpha is 90 minus 60, which is 30. Okay.
Can you just give me a minute, sir? Let me just copy down all of this, sir.
Yeah, sure, you do that. You note it down everything. Do you want to note down this formula that I have mentioned here? What do you want to note down? This formula? You can also solve 24th because it is b over p. From here only you can determine h, which is 441 plus 400, that is root 841, and root 841 is how much? 29, and that's why cosec theta is h over p, 29 over 20. Let me know if you have written it.
Okay, yes, sir. I'm done writing it down.
Okay, come to this question. 29 we were doing. Come to the question 29. Okay, we no, 20, yeah, this one we already did and we got our answer. Now come to 25. This is 12, this is 13. Oh, it's not possible. It can't be 12. Let's say it is 12. It is 13. Then it is, okay, let's say this is 13 and this is 12. It is okay. 169 minus 144. It's 5 then. 10 p is P over B and cot R is B over P. They both are same, that's why 0 should be your answer. Understood? And cos 67 is equivalent to sin 23 because sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. That's why sin square theta minus sin square theta will give you 0. Let's do 27th quickly. Let's do up to 30 and we can conclude today, you don't worry. ABC are interior angles of a triangle ABC. Okay, that's why the sum of A and B and C will always give you 180. That's why if you divide them by 2 like this, you will get A plus B over 2 equivalent to 90 minus C over 2. That's why now if you take cosec of this, it is equivalent to cosec 90 minus theta, which is sec theta. That's why it is sec C over 2. Tan 2a is cot, okay, now here you can write it as 9 cot 90 minus theta. That's why your 90 minus 2a is now equivalent to a minus 24. That's why 3a is equivalent to 114. That's why a is equivalent to 38 degree. Now here you can write it as sin square 33. And this can be written as cos 90 minus 57, cos square 33, which is 1. Okay, let's solve this last question today. Other you can take as your homework. Tan 36 degree and tan 54 degree. Then tan 36 and you can write it as cot 90 minus 36. Tan theta into cot 90 minus 54, that is 36. Tan theta into cot theta is 1. Are you okay with all these questions? They all are easy. Now you can take them as your homework. Take the screenshot. Okay, I'm giving you few minutes to take the screenshot quickly. Do it. Take the screenshot. Have you taken the screenshot? Okay, now take the screenshot of next page. Now take the screenshot of this. Now take the screenshot of this.
So I didn't take the screenshot of the questions before, sir.
Okay, then this one.
Okay, sir. I already took that one, sir.
You took.
The one after
Okay,
that,
then
7 or something.
this one up to 37 you have taken. Okay. This one.
Yeah, sir. Then I'm done. Okay, that's it.
Then this one 40 onward. This
I already took
40. Then last screenshot 45. No, there are 50 question overall. This 48, see how easy it is. You can take 9 common. They all are easy. You don't think that they are going to take much time. They are so easy. It's 1. That's why 9 into 1 is 9. Now come to the question last. Yeah. These you can appear. Taken the screenshot. If you want, we can even discuss them in next class. It's all your choice. But you first appear them all, And if any doubt, you can discuss in next class. Now take the screenshot of this page. Now take the screenshot of this page. Okay, whenever you get the question of question like 61, tan theta plus cot theta 2 can be possible if tan theta is 1 and cot theta is 1. That means they both are 45. And if tan theta is 45, 1 to the power anything is 1. That's why answer is 2. For such question, answer is 2. Now take the screenshot of this. These all are very interesting question, and trigonometry require a lot of practice.
Sir, can't you just send the PDF, sir?
Yeah, even I can send the PDF. That's will be okay for you.
Can you just send the PDF?
Yeah, sure, I will do that. I will send the PDF as well. Actually, there are a lot of questions. Actually, trigonometry has a variety of problems. That's why I have presented this much question. There are total 100 questions that I have shown all the questions.